Greetings, class. My name is Bradon, as can be seen by the title of this slide, and today I will be giving a short presentation all about myself. Except that this first slide is not at all about myself and is more about my family, which consists first of one cat and two dogs that I could never take a picture of because they can't settle down for even 2 seconds. Now, in terms of other members, I have my younger sister, who is currently in 8th grade, and then I have my 2 loving parents who also cannot take a selfie to save their lives. But it captures us, and that's really all that matters in a selfie, right? Now, moving on to my interests and hobbies, I guess the hobby I have is that I love to sketch. Not that I'm really great at it or anything, but it's just something I enjoy doing and will hopefully improve with over time. Showcased here is something I drew about a month ago, and honestly I have to say, I'm pretty proud of it. Now my interest, on the other hand, is something I really would love to share with other people, and that is my love of music from different cultures, some that don't even exist anymore. Showcased here are 3 of my favorite albums, the bottom right which is Court of the Crimson King, a very lovely 60s progressive rock album from Britain, so it's not too special, but the other 2 are something different. The one on the left is an album consisting of jazz from former Czechoslovakia, which is no longer a country, and the right top album is a funk album that is from former Yugoslavia. And finally comes my literary quote, which is that fiction is the truth inside the lie, and the truth of this fiction is simple enough: the magic exists. Now, Stephen King included this at the beginning of his It novel to illustrate the creativity in a young mind. And basically what this says to me is that the creativity within yourself has roots in what you experience in day-to-day life. So I felt that when I saw this quote, it really explained a lot of the creativity within myself as well. Now, before I end this, I just want to thank you all for watching and wish you a good day.